Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will learn about one more feature in Python, that is type conversion. We can also do type conversion between different data types using type conversion functions like int, float, string, etc. For example, if I want to convert from int to float, we can just write float and inside bracket I will write the integer number. So it will convert into float. It will give me the output 5.0. Similarly, if I want to convert from float to int, I can write int and inside that I'll put the float number. So it will convert and give me the integer number 10. Okay, we can also do conversions for sets, tuples, list and dictionary also. So this statement give me the output in form of set. This one will give me the output in form of tuples. This is the list one and last one is the dictionary one. So in this way, we can do any conversion from one data type to another data type. So this is all about data types. I hope you understand the concept. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.